Okay, I am actually outside. As you can see, I am, if you look on my left, it's the White House, and my office is right there. If you look at this other way, it's my office. So I came to this park. I came to this park to make a small video. I hope you can hear me. Fresh hair. Today we are going to talk about what to expect when somebody is in removal proceedings. What to expect? What are the steps? Basically, we have two major steps. We have what they call the master calendar hearing, and we have the individual hearing. So the first step is the master calendar hearing. How this one works. So basically, let's say somebody is in removal proceedings. How does the person know that they are in removal proceedings? They are going to receive a notice to appear. Notice to appear, NTA, advising the person on the date, the time, and the court hearing. And in the notice to appear, NTA, there is what they call charges. There are charges and allegations. Depending on what the person has been charged with, or depending on the allegations in the notice to appear, we are going to plead. We are either going to admit to the allegations or deny the allegations, or admit to some allegation and deny some allegations, or we are going to so basically those are the two options, right? And then when it comes to the charges, that the removability charges, because they have to charge you. That's why they're sending the person into removal proceedings, because the person becomes removable. They have to explain what are the charges, and that to the charges too, we can either concede or not concede, deny. So depending on the charges. So based on most occasions, we are going to concede, because that's the reason the person is removable, but we have to bring the defense. If you're in removal proceedings, most of the time the defense could be asylum or adjustment of status or cancellation of removal, depending on just the case. And the first calendar hearing is where we plead, and that's it. We just go there. That's a formal way for the judge to advise the respondent on the charges and the allegations, and basically make sure that oh my gosh, there's some there's some stuff coming. You see, that's the problem when you're filming outside. That's what happened. That's why I like to film inside. But anyway, so going back, so that's what we're going to do. Basically, the judge is going to formally inform the respondent on the charges, and then the respondent is going to plead. Eventually the respondent, let's say the respondent is represented, then the lawyer of the respondent is going to plead. That's it. It's very short, 10 minutes or 15 minutes. That's it. Court is over. Then the second thing will be the individual hearing. They will ask, of course, in the master calendar hearing, how many times, how many hours. So how long do we have to present the case? Most of the time we say 4 months, 6 months, depending on the nature of the case and depending on the availability of counsel. So let's say we say in 3 months we're gonna go back at the individual hearing. That's where we make our defense. We're gonna write the argument and file it in advance, 2 weeks prior to the court hearing. We do our arguments, and then we go on the day. That's when the court is going to look at the evidence. The judge is going to establish, and the attorney for the government, chief counsel, we're going to present with their charges, and we are going to defend the respondent. If we get lucky, we get a positive outcome. That's it. The removal proceeding ends there. If we don't get lucky, it goes to the BIA, Board of Immigration Appeals. That's when somebody will appeal the decision. And furthermore, Sometimes people appeal and later on they even go to federal court. And if you like, you might end up even in U.S. Supreme Court, but not every case gets to the U.S. Supreme Court. So we have to make our effort to make it right, really, at least at the individual hearing, if not on appeal. It sounds like it's simple. It's not that simple. That's why people stay in court proceedings, in court. So basically, they stay in removal proceedings for longer than expected, because it's not as simple as it sounds. So it takes time, takes effort, takes patience. If you have a case, this journey is not easy by any means. It's not easy. It's not easy on the immigrant. It's not easy on the lawyer. It's not easy on anybody. So we try to make the journey as manageable as we can. That's why we provide with legal advice. We provide with some other advice in general, just for mental state, because it's not that easy. Anyway, I am done with those insects flying around. So I am done for today. Until next time, Bijoux.ngwanda, immigration lawyer in the DC Metropolitan. I keep saying DC Metropolitan. You can see the White House, my office, but I'm outside. My office is just like 5 minutes away because I'm on 800 Connecticut Avenue, and the White House is on Pennsylvania Avenue. So basically, you can see. That's it for today. We wanted to talk about the steps, what to expect at the court hearing, especially with the master calendar hearing, because I have some master calendar hearings coming soon. So I just wanted to make a quick video. Share, like, subscribe as usual. We're almost there. We're almost there. 10,000 subscribers. Come on, people. Share, like. And we will have live events so we can answer your questions as much as we can, of course. If you need a consultation, you just have to email me or call my office. And until next time, bye-bye. Ciao.